Yo, abusiafo. Anwumre mechia obi bia na mama obi bia kwaba. Ubia wo so no mechia o mema wadwo. Ema wadwo o ba bibia wo ye den wo. Am say more fire. Me fa akonya nso na menchia CSF Common Sense Family abusiafo nyina. Mechia obi bia adwumaden aye nyina ye den ye bo. Me asem ba ko ada bia ya meka ne say ejuma na ye ya ne nyoba akonfo ejuma what you say enyoba akonfo ejuma kra because to enlighten your own people enye easy task what you say to enlighten your own people enye easy task enho atemididie enho ayi but still what you say mefa kwanya isu na machia nkrofo bi enuafo bi edo bi biase edamo ase ejuma den ana ye ne mu nyina ye bo from day one what you say. The movement, the message is getting to every corner, is getting wider and wider. As time goes on, no, yeah, mommy, phone no more no yeah, the religion brainwash or more no. They will come to realize say religion was a tool to distract or to kill the brain of we the black people. Mechia papisti kwabinado, mechia kwabina bafo ewia black coffee or ashama, michiao James Nati. Michia JK, Michia Nkrofo bebre Mark Adams, Michiao. Mo amusumfo CSF Yahuda Queen Tana. Ene nyumbre minimu ba be din komo no. Enyumbre the topic is the brain and the bone. The brain and the bone. Adwene no eni nnompe no. Enti enyumbre wo baso a bombo ni se wo be share me video na ma me na kama. Yesu ya de. The black man uses the bone, but the white people they use the brain. That is the difference from young Africans, any young Europeans. No, Bibini bia otie mi, Ghana ni bia otie mi. We are aware, winning, who evidence, who proof. Say young abi before no, ye no mpemu ye den. Ye very strong because of your melanin, no, the power of the sun. Oba de no create ye no. Dompe no de ama ye no. Ye no mpenu ye timi di ye dwuma. What you say? Inti bibinisi oye juma ombre. Obeka se sabi wanom tramo ana washiwi dabi. Sana nyankopon ye den ebo bibini. But ade ba ko aka ye no. Eye the brain. Adwene no na akwakoye the stamping block of we the black people. Inti ye di dompeni ye juma day and night. Ebi na mano market for mano abrante be ko adwuma papa bi be ko adwuma obe feed ni family obe presika dia ba fie ahwe family no oba no be didi ankola no be didi school fees ni ayi. But the system of Africa is not working. That is the problem now. Ye ba ye den na yensu yetimi anya quality genuine system like the European. Otie yensu ye ba ye den na yen system no eno nso eni ada ho na ahonto atimi aba oman na abibifo yen so ye ho ato ye te say ye friend say Europeans and abrofo no, unless we think like them. Utie, unless we use the brain, unless we think like them, without using the brain, the bone will always work and the body will always suffer. Are you getting me? The black man is suffering always, day and night. Shine a bo ensu to yeninamu ewie bo a yeninamu ensu to a yeninamu. But still they are yet yet. What is the problem? The problem is the brain. Into the brain and the bone. The brain and the bone. Broni si dabi me se meye djuma kra me no mpe no body no me use no 20%. Na me use adwen no 80%. Na ye 100%. Ena bibini so si dabi ono be use body no 80%. Na we use adwen no 20%. Anything na yaka achi no. Adwen ba ko a bibini betimi a use eye kro no adwen. Azan adwen. Ye fa ne say pese me nko menya adwen. Ye fa ne say nyensa kro no nko na yenga bibi for ye de adwuma. But eba adwen a ye de siesie o man, ye de do ye ho, ye de be ma o man na progressing na improvement atimi abo o man mu na o man na fa ne ntoma pa fra de dabi bibini nya den eni sa adwen no ni nyina ye religion ya ende me twam ena meti say a Christophobi ya sole na woni mu nyom omoto nyom semi bo berapa otewa na me jai boni ye na me ye papa minim se rade o baby e kwan me mami utie we eye brainwash ena ya brainwash. That means eda bibini adwimu se obobra na abrabo no enkoyie sabi ennioma ntuto yie wona abrabo ma eye bone nti na nnioma ntuto yie enti so jai bone ye na obobra pa a nyankopon be yeden be mana di enti se Kristo ni bobra na nnioma nkoyie di opene ne nsanka ya religion aka tia ne se oyo de bone ye ni enu nti na obobra ennioma nkoyie, which is total lie and brainwash. Utie da mika mi betirem hwe Europeans na abrofo no men kan kyerem se abrofo ni bone abrofo no mpo mo ya de bone ye fo kora sen ye nga bibifo ye ka bone mu bone a abrofo no di bone sen menu mienu ya bibifo no. Utie da mika no abrofo ni mu bone sen ye ya bibifo, but still abrofo ya progress sen ye nga bibifo adenti because ya adwen no adwea ema nipa improve abrabom adwea ema nipa mo brapa e wona abrabom no religion ababe poison sa adwe no ama adwe no enye adwuma at the authentic and the real and the right direction. Into religion see semi bo birapa wonti wa na me jai boni ya na me ye papa minim se radi oh baby, crying me, mami. That is the brain of the religious person, Christian man and the black man. Religion I catch a younger before and say, the entire yenti mean progress, no, ya the one year for, and to say, what brapa, Yanko Pombe be a quayama, Minia, may a catch now, ye cap brapa boy, a year before ni nimba papa bo. But still, and no man yaden, enkoye. Have you ever asked yourself, bibini pese odi dompe ye adwuma obeye adwuma den de ye obeye adwuma na ukọ na wo ba adekye a ewia bo na meka no ensu eto na wunamu enye izi adwuma ensese ye kora na ye den na ye adwuma ensese ye den na ye den ye but buroni say that be to be rich is not only your friend is saying bone work by the brain adwen no by the brain. Mr. Kwabena Boko, Akwaba. Adreno, enti, Bronisi, no, I will use the brain. Bibinisi dabi, I will use the bone. Medi no mpebe ye juma. Enti, ejuma bena udima bibini aonye. We are proud hard workers, but still we are poor. Why? Africa is a hard worker. Africa, we are proud of ourselves to be hard workers, but still Africa is sinking down. Africa is poor. Why? Because we refuse to use the brain, because your idea be a loss of memory. The way to think, the way to analyze things, the way to think critically. Religion, see, don't think. If you become a religious person, don't think. Which is lie. The thing is the brain and the bone. Which one are you using? Are you using the brain more than the bone? Or who use bone no more than the brain? No. Look at Europe. We can't stop. We will always compare Europe to Africa. Why Europe? Then why Africa? Why Europe and why Africa? Why Africa is poor? The message of Common Sense Family and Avram Bimoshe say, Africa, no, your natural resources. Utie, your natural resources. Everything. Adie biere se se nipa de bobra. Ewo Africa. But ye pe the poorest continent Africa. Aden. Ye pe continent omudi here Africa. Aden in Africa we are poor because we lack the common sense. We lack reasoning. We lack critical thinking. The African man don't want to use the brain just because he's a religious person. Because religion I catch and say, Yambo bra, o de bre, o bre kura, dachi. Say you found yourself in heaven and you relax there, everlasting life, no death, no your friend is saying yale, you eat every day, no death again. Utie the Americano. Utie, which is lies. A lie. Ye mom wondering say ye best yes or mino. Asasi we na ye dia. Asasi we Yankopon dia ma say international. Into ye mom wondering say we keep this land very clean. Asasi we bombondini ye juma na pay dan purpose. You will die. One will unquala. One pay dan purpose that you are will ma be bread. That you are will ma bed and will ma be bread. Utie the Americano. Say one pay bravo. Ampe Japadi bi, ampe asasi bi, ampe dan bi, ampe company bi ambie. Na wuwa dache, wo ma bedi won doko no kwa. Wote de America no. Wo ma ombedi won doko no kwa. Nti Africa, ye poor just because we refuse to use the brain. We don't want to go with the brain. That bia dompeni ye juma, na dompe na bre, na dompe na ye juma, na dompe na bre, na dompe na ye juma, na dompe na bre. But abrofosi dabi se dompe be ye juma kra. Yemfa adwen ka ho. Yemfa adwen ka ho. Adwene no. Enti buro ni di na adwen ye juma. Enti look at the system of Ebrochire. Look at the system of UK. Look at the European system. Look at the European system. Me fact when I so na matia Mr. Abukal Awal, Mr. Awal, Michiao, baby awo bia Michiao. Michiao papa. Michiao pa maya de eni afutuo ni kasachira mode ya de mode maye. Se ni ye die mu enwoma betoto na akwam na abibifo bra ye brenzo yensu be firi brei mu na yensu ye wa koyen kakra na abibifo ye bre too much. Ye bre ye ti o hawo mu wo ba Africa ye bibia ye basa. Ya ye ni good system. Ya ye hospitals, healthcare, ya ye bad road. E die na wo ba Africa wu awani beje ho. E die na wo Africa wo ba awani beje ho. Anka Africa nye Africa nka nye continent esese ye bre. Ghana nka nye oman esese ye den ye bre. Ghana ye natural resources nka betimi atua sika Ghana for ye wono. Ghana for population almost 30 million. Nka betimi afidi every month. But look at how we are suffering. Ye bre nti da bia sema ye kan say. Ye mpanifuo no. Ye political how do you call it? Your politicians, you know, your rulers, you know, I don't call them leaders. They are not leaders. They are rulers. Omuno rule, you know. When they travel from Africa to Europe, a DNA yo mukosia, a DNA musia, system bene yo musia, a DNA yo musia de bre Africa. Nanka sabi, we MP, we are president. Ya tu Obama babe o mampenia. Mutu kwa Ebrochire, muko Europe, muko France, muko UK, muko Dubai, muko Canada. Na mako sio mu system, na mu de aba. Na mabe apply wo ha na aboa ye na nso nya good system but yenom se da bi ye nya ne sa ye se ye nya ne sa abro ena ebedi ena da bia ye soro na ye ka obi on te ase be ka se ena da bia ye soro ya ye di mpenifu atem obi andi peni bi atem obi antimi ndi peni bi atem empenifu na ye se omundi yenim no abrabo na omu bo no omu ndwe oman no oman ma ne ye bre oman ma ne ye bre anke nu kwa say yeden ye bre but eba ne say na yeden ye bre because ye mpese ye de adwen be ye adwuma ye ma dompe nu eye more dompe adwuma na ye de ye nompe ye no aye more than be ye de ya adwen be ye den ya adwen be ye de mesre mepa acho min kasa bebre enyumbre min kasa bebre mesre ye mondere say sabe ye betinki ye bedwen ye use adwen. That is the concept of common sense family. Yes, I drink eda ye trim. Utie, I drink eda ni patrim. Yemfa adwin ye den. Emfa nya adwuma. Obviously, Kwame Adai incarnate. Mr. Bafo, Kwame Adai. Why incarnate why? Wow, until yesremo why? Yesremo. Let the brain work more than the bone. Let the brain work more than the bone. At the end, the brain and the bone. But yeah, before you have to brain negu. And the bia hard work, hard work pays, but hard work without the brain. Excuse my language. And over here in Koyi, that is the problem of Africa. We don't know how to plan the system. Ye nim sena ye toto nyoma. Abi before ye nim sena ye toto nyoma. Ya drain that to the extent they say. Ye nim how to ye mtimin plan even for future. because bibini or dream nenkwa onwe echena broni si dabi mame dwin na nwe echena na menwe na achi because da achi miniwa sabi di odi mechi ba no mempese obede obebre na ye bibifo aboronti ye dwe ye nkwa ye ho ye dwe ye nkasa ye nkwa ye ho onya na odi a eno ano no ondwe se Kofi Adidi Kwabena Didi Kwame Anyabi ana Kwekube Didi onfa Kweku ni Kwabena ne Kwame ho ono nkwa ne de na ede ope utie da meka no enti ye wo adwen bia ye nyimfiri ye trim utie na ye ndwen tida bia sama ye kan se ye mpanifo no nyese ye di obi atem ye ntimi di obi atem but oman no monye oman ni ye na ye ho ntoye oman mo na ye de ahye mo nsa ya toto aba ama mo se mo nhwe ye nso ye hia bibia ye nka nkyere mo utie da meka no oman no ye de oman ni bibia ahye mo nsa enti mo na mo betimi ye wo nneoma bia mo na esese mo ye de mo ye compulsory ese mo na mo ye babi ti say ya kwan ye hospitals schools Uba Ghana ha besi bebia 21st century ye won schools a enkwala eti duase esua ade ye won schools a aban school government school na nkwala etete block so etete ndua so etete momba so etwere fom bebia USA adu a China fo fom USA afa no ye Ghana fo ye se ye nsua nyansa empenifo no si da bi ye nsua nyansa omu mpe bibi papa nye den enye maye na bebia USA adu no utie da meka no na sebi nipo de sani ba etifom ede ne nsa etwere fom ebe de na daache obeye mpia ni timu nyaden utie baby awesi adu udu ye hospital bed baby ama beda wukura ebi ni ho baby obanyem na okodu hospital bed empa obeda so bed obeda so ebi ni ho empa keke obi beda so ebi ni hospitals baby awesi adu 21st century na US kika konenim na technology take over everything na manfo create na manfo progress no yempani for nsi dabi we don't think about the nation we think of our family omunya sika omoyerenom omabusia omu girlfriends no mo sister sika nyina de akoto Europe me ka kireo amanfo sika egu Europe enye sika ketwa amanfo sika egu Europe enye sika ketwa asa sika we esese mo de yempuntu djuma na mo ndwi oman no so ye wonto ye nkakra na oman no mu wankasa wunim ye bre ewie ba ye bre ensu eto a ye bre ene da na meka no ewie ba ye na mumfuturum ensu eto a ye na matechem Africa aden Africa aden why Africa aden tina only Africa why are we suffering okay they will tell you say and you reject God and you are a sinner. It's not about rejecting God. It's not about being a sinner. Hey, Obia rejecting God bia. Utie. Hey, Obia rejecting God bia. Ye come on, rejecting God. The Europeans, they are the people who are progressing. Aburofunu kuro mu nginya mindi no. Omu kuro omu kon kan se meniwa ye da solifie. Aburofuna omu se nyame ni wo no. Omu kuro they progress than me and you. Enti me pacho adwembe ne da ye trimu a yen bibifo ya ka ekiri ayen tenase ensesa ya dwen endwen na bebia wiase adu nipa desani wo ka kire me se wo koye adwuma na edu na wohwe a wo koyi tight e de amasofo bebia wiase koyi ko China na kohwe so obi tua tight bi wo ha China for me di dabia me di China for na example me say hwe China for ya nye wada they are China the babe Africa no na wa winim udi adanse here China is taking over Africa Ghana ha yenya contract mpo a na ye de akoma China ni Ghana yenya contract na ya free Chinese na ye de amomu yenya contract na ya free Indians India for na ye de amomu e de ne hampenifo no eti China ni engineer no adenti na wo aban no wontimi yi Africans yi Ghana for na omo nko China enkosua the same system emfa ma Ghana na sabi wo aban no wo de ekwan wo fa contractor ana wo de ekwan bi se contractor bi nsa enye Ghana ni no nso nye kwan no na sika ntimi na oman no mu yete Ghana yenya contractor na ya free India for so mo beji contract no yete Ghana yenya contractor na ya fre Chinese na China fo aba befa akwan ya omotwa no Ghana ha nyina China fo na eji ekwan bia omotwa no Ghana ha China fo na adenti because ya the Ghana ni so onya in the first place onimi ye onya ni iye enti adenti na se ontimi nya ni iye adenti na ye manu nkosua good system no na ombe apply na sika no ntene o man nim de ye me ja the worst part of the story here wakwa fa China ni no na wo de contract na ama no na ono nso akwa fa ni nuanim China for wa employ Mason for ni ayi no no the China for because wo de contract na ase ne nsa obehu Ghana for bi abako mienu bi na ehyehyem baako mienu bi na ehyehyem himfa na efri himfa na eko as Africans the African for da be na ebe solid. When are we waking? When will Africa wake up from its sleeping? Africa has slept for a long time. Mama Africa, this is the time we need to wake up from our sleep. We should wake from our sleeping bed. We have slept for a long time. This is the time. Open your mind, open your brain. Think for yourself. Think for yourself. Think. Use the brain given by the Creator. Are you getting me? Hey, are you getting me? Many Africans live in Europe. They see the system in Europe and the system of Africa totally different. Why? Is it because we are black people? Is it because we have black color? What is wrong with African man? What is wrong with the black man brain? What is worrying the brain? This is where I'll tell you it's religion. And maybe you will not agree with me, but I know it is religion which has poisoned the brain of the black man. Because religion tells you you are a sinner. That is why things are not ongoing well for you. What you Americano? Sano maye. Intimenda wasi. Enyumre mi kasa bibre mi ka bibiaso wa ha. Mi ka bibiaso. Na mesrel. Se wonya subscribe to YouTube channel na. Kona ko subscribe why? CSF Yahuda. Ewo YouTube CSF Yahuda. Subscribe. Na ya share video no. And that topic ni the brain and the bone. The Europeans, the white people, they use the brain. The black people, the Africans, we use the bone. We use only the bone. We don't apply the common sense. We don't apply senses. We don't apply critical thinking. We don't apply logic and reasoning. That is why Africa is still on progress. What you are saying? And that is why Africa is still on progress. That is why we cannot progress. We can't progress because we are hard workers. We can work hard. After working hard, where is the brain? Where is the brain of the black man? We need the brain back. Let the brain work for the body not to suffer. Thank you very much for having time with me this evening. This is your own brother, CSF Yahuda Quintana. Yahuda Quintana. Thank you. I salute, I greet everyone, each and every one of you for having time with me this evening. We will meet once again. Thank you very much. Take care for yourself. What you say? And she won't see you. And the movie because Yahuda Brofuna who can say Brofuna make can say no. Rebecca Chem 70 Brofo. Bra, na be ka chem se mente brofo. Se brofo se me na nakasa, bra be ka chem se mente brofo. Obi nyaye obeba so. No answer. Bra be ka chem se mente brofo. Se brofo me na nakasa. Bra na be ka chem se mente brofo. Wo da bra na be ka chem se mente brofo mi nko school. Na me so me ka chem se bi mi we fie nyensanse o. School na mo koye okay Matias here mentimi nka brofo wona wo ko school no me pa cho opom school na mo koye na mo ko die brutin man no enye mo mbom na mu bu o man no in the name of education mo na mu bu o man no you mu wia o man no in the name of book what tell America no say Yahuda onte brofo kura na nonte onte brofo kura yo manonte mentimi nka brofo se brofo se ye wona na dia brofo se wona na dia bra na beka abusia enye atem dide nye se obi di obi atem obi antimi di obi atem otie sabi mpredua sa nyame na me hwew otie de America no nyame na me hwew but the ss ye de to ne se ye de to otie de America no ese ye ma bi before the stemma ese ye ma ya adwen ye adwuma yemfa adwen nye adwuma adwen yemfa nye adwuma na ye kechi abibifo ye kechi too much abibifo ye kechi bebre enyoma bebre mu ye kechi abibifo ye education system no But last me can say education system no is the problem of young Africa for education system no. Sesiano, and education system no. And some way no compulsory say region bia kasa bi omoka wono. And some way no compulsory e was school. Voter region compulsory aibe mopo munko yen kire wo school. Oko northern region gonja ni da gomba kasa ne gonja ni da gomba kasa no. E say ye kire wo school. Utie de America no. Utie de America no. Fanti central region yen kire. Oko ye fa ne say greater Accra and Casano, nay, this subject, na man for ye de Esia, but and there, young cabrofo, brofo, cabrofo, no cabrofo, no mudi sisi, brofo, no mudi uyaye, omono mote brofo, no muyaye, omote the parliament, one of the book, the uyaye. Absia, Medasi, say when you're brava, Medasi, papa, Medasi, the best was should be, the best answer should be, but yes, I'm fine, Am I ready? Guy, let's subscribe to the YouTube channel. CSF Yahuda. Bye bye.